Welcome to 5812 Rundlehorn Drive. This beautiful home is located in Pineridge. It's got 3 bedrooms, 1 bathroom on the upper floor. It also features a 2-bedroom suite with a separate walk-up entrance. It has a beautiful large deck as well as a double detached garage. Enough already. Go on in and take a look. Did you see how awesome the windows were in the suite? And look at this beautiful deck. Can you imagine yourself living here with you and your family? If you want to find out more information in regards to this property, please do not hesitate to give me a call. Barb Desautels at CIR Realty, 403-667-9869 on my cell phone.